In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the sidebar from WooCommerce. If your WooCommerce shop or product pages are showing a sidebar you don't want, and your theme doesn't give you a simple toggle to turn it off, you can still remove it using a bit of custom CSS right inside WordPress. I'll walk you through each step slowly, so feel free to pause the video and follow along in your own dashboard. First, log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're on the main dashboard screen, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Appearance. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A small menu will expand underneath. From those options, click on Editor. This is the site editor where you can control global styles and layout. After the editor loads, you'll see another panel on the left. In this panel, look for an option called Styles and click it. This opens up the styling controls for your site. On the Styles panel, move your attention to the top right corner of that same panel. You'll see a small More Options icon, usually shown as 3 dots or similar. Click that and then select Additional CSS from the drop-down. A new area will appear with a blank code field. This is where you can paste custom CSS that will apply across your entire site. Go ahead and paste the exact CSS code provided for removing the WooCommerce sidebar. If you don't have it in front of you, you can pause this video and check the description, where there's a link to a file containing the same code I'm using here. Make sure you copy everything exactly as shown to avoid errors. Once the code is in place, take a quick look at the preview area on the right side of the screen. You should already see the sidebar disappearing from your WooCommerce pages in the live preview, but remember that the change isn't saved yet. Now, look at the very leftmost panel in the editor. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says something like Review One Change. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear summarizing the changes you're about to apply to your site. This is your chance to double-check that everything looks correct and that you haven't accidentally modified anything else. If everything looks good, go to the bottom right corner of that pop-up and click Save. WordPress will apply your new CSS, and your WooCommerce sidebar should now be removed on the live site. You can visit your shop or product pages in a new tab to confirm that the layout looks the way you want.